Hi my angel, welcome back to a new video. If you're new, my name is Aisha Marie and today I'm going to be sharing my pamper routine. I first start off using this CeraVe foam and cleanser, and I love how gentle this makes my skin feel. It's not harsh and it does not strip away too much oil from my skin. I already have dry skin, so I love how it just lathers up and removes all the dirt from the day. For body wash, I'm going to use this Crest Shea Butter and Brown Sugar, and I love this body wash so much. First off, the lathering sensation is amazing. All you need is a quarter size amount, and you can wash your whole body, like literally. During my pamper routine, I honestly try to take my time and really admire my body as it's changing, as I'm getting older, as I'm improving certain things about my body like hyperpigmentation. I really just try to relax and enjoy the moment because I know there'll be a time where I'll never be able to get this moment back. Of course, feet hygiene is a must in a pamper routine. I really enjoy using this Petty infused soap sponge that I grabbed from Amazon. I really enjoy using this. One side is for exfoliating and then the other side is just soft to smooth and just gently cleanse your feet. This sponge is so convenient and can last up to 2 months for me. Before I shave, I like to go in with a scrub, and the scrub that I'm using today is this Dove body polish in the crushed macadamia and rice milk. You already know what I'm about to say. I love this scrub. Like, Dove just does it every single time. This gentle cleanser makes my skin so smooth, but is still effective for removing any ingrown hairs and any gunk. The razor that I love is targeted towards men. It's so weird that men have the best products. I don't quite understand, but this blade gets all of my hair, all of it. When I say it's not prickly when I'm done, I truly mean it. As some of you may know, I'm no one's hair guru. In fact, I'm in the process of learning and loving on my hair. So I wanted to say thank you to everybody who recommended these Shea Moisture products. Y'all, my hair loves this Hydrating Intense conditioner and shampoo. Yummy. It's like food to me. I've learned that washing my hair once a week is a lot more beneficial than once every 2 weeks because my hair is very dry and my scalp does get very itchy. So once a week just helps rejuvenates and adds moisture back into my hair while also cleansing my scalp. When I get out the shower, I like to put on my luxurious robe. It's silk and feathers. I am extra. And this is a pamper routine, so why not? I then like to use this towel that is supposed to help be like tug free and doesn't strip your hair of moisture. I have officially found my perfect deodorant, and this is from the brand Mitchum in the Triple Odor Defense. I still am obsessed with Dove, but for the moment, this literally keeps me fresh all day. The secret on how I keep my skin so glowy and hydrated is a snail mucin, and mucin is a snail secretion, so no snails are harmed during this process, but I love the benefits of this product. It helps remove discoloration and it has helped with the texture of my skin as well. Because of its slick consistency, I'm going to use this on my face to help shave. Just look at that difference from just that one stroke. And I am a hairy individual, and it's so funny because the same thing that people praise you for is the same thing that they try to make fun of you for. It's so weird. Like, people always say, oh my gosh, your hair, your hair, your hair, and then so shocked when they see hair in my arms. Look at the texture and the color of my skin. It's so glowy. I do like to go on with some tweezers to try to clean up my eyebrows, just so it can prevent me from going to the parlor for like another week. I'm not a professional, so I just try to clean up areas that I see. For lip care, I like to go in using this Dior lip balm in the color raspberry. Then I like to apply some under eye mask. I'm not going to say the name of these because I honestly don't like them, but any under eye patches would work. Aren't these gorgeous? These are from Rose Forever. They sent me 36 gorgeous roses, y'all. I really wish that you can see and smell these in person. And the box is velvet. These are just so luxurious. I'm freaking upset. Every time I look at them, I want to cry. And I'm not gonna cry right now. I'm not gonna cry right now. Not gonna cry right now. These shower routine videos mean a lot to me. They're more than just taking a shower and feeling good. Listen, it's a reason to my madness. So I don't think Rose Forever knows how much this hit home for me during this time, y'all. When I tell you, God's timing is always on time and it's perfect. Like, it's divine timing. I kid you not. What I'm gonna say, I've never said on YouTube before, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you don't even know, but this month marks my mom, I'm not gonna say like death anniversary, what I wanna say, this month marks my mom. This month, I don't know. Should I say this month? I don't freaking know. It has been 11 months since my mother has passed away. It's gonna be 1 year since my mom has passed away, and I genuinely just don't know how I feel. I know how I felt in the past. So the past months, I know that I would be in a very dark place, dealing with grief, dealing with the loss of my mother. I really don't know how I feel. A part of me feels like I want to celebrate and that she'll forever be with me, and to just keep going and to learn to live life all over again. Because in a sense, up until this month, I wanted to just, you know, like, what is life? You know, when I found my mother in the bathroom, you know, she just took a shower. She just took a shower. I really just felt like I had an out-of-body experience trying to revive her. At that time, I chose death. I chose death. I chose not to live, not to dream. I chose being in a very dark space, and for some weird reason, all of a sudden, I'm choosing life. I'm choosing to live again. I want to dream. I want to fulfill my purpose on this earth, and I want to be happy, and I want to allow great things to come my way and produce great things and just give back and play my position on this earth, because life is short. You know, I've learned that the hard way. Life is very short. I don't try to take anything for granted. I was getting my pedicure done, and the lady, she was like, "Do you like?" And I looked and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is the best pedicure I've ever done. Like, I wanted to cry. And for some reason, I'm so happy that I'm able to wake up and have a smile on my face. So I had to learn myself all over again. I had to love myself all over again. I had to love on me. And this is why I do what I do, okay? It's reason to my madness, all right? This right here keeps me sane. It keeps me going. It feels good pouring into myself. And it should feel good for you too. Let it feel good. Allow it to feel good. Thank you so much, Rose Forever, for sending me over these gorgeous flowers. You know, this is business. But if you take away the business and keep the personal, and I mean all the personal, this hit home. Like, this is very personal to me. And I think when they make these boxes, they customize it for each person. Like, you can feel the love behind this creation. A rose that lasts forever. Not only one, but 36 roses that can last over a year. Y'all know we like to save a little coin over here, honey, okay? So I have 20% off on your purchase if you are interested. I will link it down below in the description box. But once again, thank you so much, Rose Forever. Y'all really messed with my heart on this one. Yes, honey, I'm supposed to be making me a lychee martini. I'm crying and I ain't even tipsy. I had cut out drinking for a while, but honey, this has been well needed, okay? That may be a little too strong. There's a couple things a woman deserves in this world, and a lychee martini being one of them. Now, time to move on to the facial. I like to go in using this Pixie facial. This is a vitamin C remedy mask, and this is going to help brighten my skin even more, honey. I'm all about getting rid of that hyperpigmentation from my previous acne. Now, I'm just going to allow this to sit on my face while I sit down and enjoy the rest of my routine. Also, during my pamper routine, I like to let my feet soak. Now, some people may say this is extra. I say this is necessary. I like to go in using this Daily Remedy Calming Lavender Foot Soak. Sprinkle those in there, honey. And then on top of that, you think that's it? No. I like to go in either with some champagne or some wine, honey. A real Kamora moment. And you can't judge unless you give it a try. Your feet are going to be feeling so soft. If you enjoy beauty secrets and gems and just overall realistic routines, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And while you're at it, don't forget to turn that post notification bell on. These rose petals look so real, but listen to this. I got these off of Amazon. Y'all, these are just going to make your experience a lot better during your routine. So during this time, I like to do whatever that pleases me. I am sitting here enjoying my lychee martini, honey. I'll get on my phone, watch a YouTube video. I'll even call up my friends sometimes for a good laugh. It's been a long time, son, since family reunion. It's been a long time. That ain't even no shot, bro. Yes, it is. It's just enough. That's wine. That's not wine. That is wine. This is lychee martini. We used to drink every day. We used to drink every day, bro. Why? Why and why? Just why? Depressed. Just depressed. Just depressed. Still depressed right now. What the fuck? Just like, so what the wine? What the champagne supposed to do? The champagne's supposed to soften your feet. Real champagne? Real champagne. Now that I'm done relaxing, I went ahead and just rinsed off that facial that I had on my face. I'm then going to go back in using this snail mucin again just to hydrate my skin. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to use this Good Molecules Discoloration Correction Serum. Y'all, I've been loving this line a lot, honestly. I'll just pat this in gently and then I wait a minute to go in for the next product, and this is the Overnight Exfoliating Treatment. This is going to help tone my skin in a sense as well. It's going to remove that dead layer of skin. After that, I'm going to moisturize using this Cetaphil Daily Moisturizer. I've been loving this a lot. The only thing I could say about this, it just doesn't give me any shine and I love to look dewy and glowy. When I'm done putting moisturizer on, I like to go in with these massage techniques just to help drain my lymph nodes. Of course, I had to spray some perfume on just to lounge around. This is Delina by the House of Parfums de Marly. This smells such like a delicate feminine woman. Then I like to help dry down my fragrance and the products that I just put on my face using this feather fan. Y'all, look how good my skin looks. I shaved it, I applied moisturizer, I've done a facial, I've done a toner, and when I tell you I literally admire myself in the mirror, I do. Ladies, please never stop dreaming and always remember that the world is yours to create. So what will you make of it? Bodies work, paid it all, when they had no, paid it all.